Thank you so much to the companies that still actually believe in the Ugandan art enough to invest in. Thank you. Now, let me go to my fellow artists. Katarina and Kando, thank you. I really appreciate you. I saw you. I'm never on social media. I'm so sorry. It's worse now that I'm a new mother. It's hectic. So I'm sorry. Sometimes I don't reply in time. I don't come back in time. I miss the moment because I'm caught up in my own little life. But thank you. I saw you when you were welcoming me back. I love you so much for doing that, because I pray that more female artists understand that we can love each other. There's more space for everyone. I promise you. Thank you so much, Katarina and Kando. Thank you so much, my forever fam, Kabako. God's favorite. There is one thing that is not a joke. When someone is that proud to be your friend, that's a real friend. Thank you so much, Kabako, for always being my friend, because just to chogera nga siri nga wendi, chogera no chogera musiriwo. It's important. Ebintu abantu bibogera maaso gaffe si bye bikulu. Ebogera nga tetuliwo bye bikulu. Thank you so much. What you do nga sikulaba. Actions ozokola nga siri na munsi Kabako. Thank you so much, because the industry is not a genuine business. So when you get a genuine friend in the industry, we love it. Thank you so much, Topic Kasente. Thank you so much, Yamulo. I can see you joining the farm, man. Abbas, I see you. Sina here, I see you. Thank you so much for always, Sina and Abbas, for being part of my things. You can imagine, I didn't even know that you know, but you're here. Give it up for those two people, guys, please. Thank you. Business for the first time, but just to support me. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Now we'll always see you. Era boy agana sebo yo tickets zo na ngolo iswali. Tips wizi bangande tips zwali. Oh, you have a topic? Okay, topic Kasente neyanza you for always being here. I love you. Thank you so much. We've been through a lot. Rita Dancehall, we do a from Piate na no namazina agamanyi. Many industry Lucy. It's all giving up from your beautiful kind heart. But I love the fact that I continue being beautiful enough to open up doors for those that need them. Now, Rita Dancehall, tugenda welcoming akubo muziki wetu. Agende kujaniye. I'm welcoming you with warmth, because siri yangu tumuwagire throughout naye kama chakula kyamtekera. Thank you so much, Rita, for always being there. Workout is not easy for me, so I have to struggle to work out. I've been working out since my baby's 2 months, but it's not easy. So I called Rita in as my workout partner of recent for the past 3 months, so that I have someone who is more energetic than me, more powerful right now than me when it comes to energy and all that. So thank you, Rita, for inspiring me and pushing me in my workouts, because my brand is me and I need to look exactly how I'm supposed to look. So I'm going to work out and do everything in my power to inspire the young mothers that you can do it all. Thank you. I don't know who I've forgotten, but now acidic vocals. I did several promises that Thank you so much for passing by. Thank you for supporting Shiba. I appreciate your presence. Media, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy. Big up Frank and Tandy. Always and always speaking your truth about what you analyze the messages. You know, thank you for respecting Brand Shiba, because I mean, respect is a must, man. It's a must. So thank you so much. Thank you for standing for the truth. Manya abantu bangi nnyo ekituufu kiba kigenda mu maaso basirikira ku mooli. So bantu batono nnyo abavaayo ne bakola ki? Ne boogera. So big up to you, Tambi, for that. Shiba Collins. Tambi muwe kugga. Man, they believe in me whether I'm in this country or I'm not in this country. It makes me want to cry because it's beautiful to have people who are permanent in your life. We all want to have people who are permanent and loyal and reliable. My Shiba management team, thank you, Amara. Thank you, Digisa. Jadilisa, 30 years that we're going to have so much. Thank you so much. First, did Nalavanga Nakamula and Kabiri West of Nakatinchala. So, thank you so much for being the same person that I made 30 years ago. Big up to Jesse Trigger. Big up to Shafiq, my nephew, and my brother is somewhere in this building. Isma, thank you so much for pushing me, running, even right now. Today, 5:30, it was in my head. We have to run. Thank you so much. I love you so much, guys. I want to thank each and every one of you. I want to thank each and every one of you, but I hope I don't forget. My designers, my crew, makeup, Keith, abantu abange abashutinga na video paka kumacha, video ezo zimenya nnyo tushooting okuva kumacha paka kumacha. Amen. So thank you to my team, hers and his. Thank you. Mwebale nnyo Chimanyi is a business thing, but it takes commitment and love to deliver. Thank you so much. Trish, I know you're around here. Thank you. Thank you to my security guy. Big up. Big up. Easy as if thank you so much. And this show, why are we here? 22nd, the return of the queen, the return of the queen, the return of the queen. Oh yes, it's the return of the queen. I worked for this so hard. It's 20 years now. So please work for your own crown, walk your own journey, and one day you will win authentically, genuinely. Okay? Shout out to everybody. I see you. Banange Shiba Collins. Muri family. Era we bagenda okukola housewarming ya mukadde mu November. Kubanga muri ki? Muri ku haki. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm going to take back this microphone to the MC and then we start the questions, I think. I hope I didn't forget to thank anyone. I love you guys. If I forgot to thank you, thank you. Victoria University. I talked about it. I did one. Oh, and to the guy that organized this beautiful press conference. Very different, very unique, very Ibra Kadam K. Shout out to you. Thank you so much. I respect your passion for the arts, and I can't wait to see what we're gonna do with Steve Jean on the show. 22nd? 22nd? Gatuliwa? Showtime. Alright, Zakalaka Queen! She's back to reclaim her throne. Mr. Queen Shiba. Of this very month, tugenda kubeera wano kufuna katiketi kosirike bwekye tobalabula mukitegedde basambadde mulina obakwatako bayinza okukola kati ssaawa ya bibuuzo naye ngenda kubasaba ayagala okubuuza ogenda kujja wano mu maaso mpolampola obuuze kwekiba ekibuuzo
I'll be bringing closer the microphone to you. From